World's latest highly recommended free essential tools for online course in different approach. Here's a list of some highly recommended free essential tools for creating and managing online courses, each offering a different approach. Moodle. Moodle is a widely used open-source learning management system, LMS. It provides educators with a range of tools to create personalized learning environments. Moodle allows for the creation of interactive courses, quizzes, assignments, and discussions. Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a free web service developed by Google for schools. It aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments in a paperless way. It integrates seamlessly with other Google Workspace tools such as Google Drive, Docs, and Sheets. Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that makes it easy to create, share, and play learning games or trivia quizzes. It's a fun way to engage students and assess their knowledge. Edmodo. Edmodo is an educational technology company offering a communication, collaboration, and coaching platform to K-12 schools and teachers. It provides a secure platform for teachers to connect and collaborate with students and parents. YouTube. YouTube is a powerful platform for hosting video content. Teachers can create instructional videos, tutorials, or lectures and share them with students. YouTube also offers features like live streaming and interactive elements through YouTube Premiere. Zoom. Zoom is a widely used video conferencing tool that allows educators to conduct live online classes, webinars, and meetings. It offers features like screen sharing, breakout rooms, and chat, making it suitable for interactive virtual classrooms. Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that offers a variety of templates for creating visually appealing presentations, infographics, worksheets, and other educational materials. It's user-friendly and doesn't require any design experience. Padlet. Padlet is a virtual bulletin board that allows users to collaborate, share content, and brainstorm ideas in real time. Teachers can use Padlet to create interactive lesson plans, gather feedback, or facilitate discussions. Quizlet. Quizlet is a learning platform that provides tools for creating study sets, flashcards, quizzes, and games. It's a useful tool for helping students review and memorize course material. Trello. Trello is a project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and workflows. Educators can use Trello to plan and manage course content, assignments, and deadlines effectively. These tools offer a range of features and functionalities to support different aspects of online course creation and delivery. Depending on your specific needs and teaching style, you can choose the ones that best suit your requirements.